What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today my dirt bike is in that garage. It was from when I was 4 years old. I'm 9.5. So this is my house. It's not really that big. Here's the car, and there's the side of the house. Okay, and this is the garage my dirt bike's in. So let's go. I got the t-shirt on, and I'm rocking out these. Oh yeah, and I'm rocking these. Hold on, let me get in the garage where it's not that light. What's wrong? Guys, I might not be able to get in my own garage. Oh my god. Forget it. I can't do it. I'm just gonna try one more time. I need to push in. I just did this. This goes around here, out here, up, and up, go up the top, come in, pull up, do the top again. I have a really weird lock, guys. This is my lock. I don't even know what I've done. Oh, what the heck? Moment of truth. Oh! What? My dirt bike is in here. You serious? Because my dirt bike's literally nowhere in my garage. Oh man. Oh. Do I go? Now I can show you guys well. Today I'm rocking these. I'm rocking out these new shorts. I'll be back when I get this baby out. It was when I was 4, and it's like breaking apart. So I'll talk. Alright, let me take a look, and I'll get you guys. See how the front's like. Today is Friday the 13th. Friday, April 13th. That's the dirt bike. I don't have a big backyard at all. My backyard is not big. All the way. Oh, looking like, I don't know how you can call it. It's close to a mansion. Almost. Sorry guys, but